think a little bit and ask yourself, okay, we sack this manager now, right? We bring in Ruud van Nistelrooy, who is someone who is sitting there and allowing all of this to happen, right? Our legend. We want him to sit there and take over Ten Hag. We will be back here saying, sack Ruud van Nistelrooy. How would that feel? He's our legend. And you want him sacked because we will get back here. Don't think he will automatically pick up from where Erik Ten Hag left if he gets sacked to get us anywhere. We will have a new manager bounce, of course. How long would that stay? Because we said this when Van Gaal was here. We said this when Jose was here. We said this when